Hello traders, I hope guys you're enjoying today. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on dollar CAD on 24th of November, Friday 2023. Let me share with you 4 hour chart. So pretty straightforward. Yesterday we were looking this breakout opportunities consolidations. High probability based on this, you can see downside channel. We were expecting a short trade here. And if you look at here, how many time market rejected this area. So after this candle, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here, and as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback and the target around this demand zone, which price nicely hit to the profit target and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here based on the analysis, even before that, you can see here we were looking this breakout, market nicely broken. Even if you look ahead, the market breakout and retest give us the confirmation for downside. And after that, as you can see here, as explained to my trader, just keep looking at first priority, always be breakout or pullback short trade here. As you can see here, market nicely broken and beautiful trade here. Even the market broken, we explained keep an eye, take another or scaling trade. We have another beautiful short trade as soon as the price hit to the demand zone in based on the 4 hour. As explained, my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, you don't want to miss those analyses in real time. Most welcome. Join our fast going today community and enjoy those analyses in real time. Have a nice weekend, guys.